Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I'm with Italian dialogue between boss and employee. Italian practice lesson number 5. So this is the easiest and best way to learn Italian. Practice your Italian with me today. Let's begin. Our first dialogue is employee. Buongiorno. Vorrei parlare delle mie ferie. Buongiorno, good morning. Would like, parlare to talk, delle, about, my, ferie, vacations or holiday. Buongiorno, vorrei parlare delle mie ferie. Good morning, I would like to talk about my vacations. Focus on the pronunciation of vorrei parlare delle mie ferie. Let's move on to our next. Boss, certo, dimmi pure. Certo is derived from certamente, which means of course in English. Certamente, certo, dimmi pure. Of course, go ahead. Next one is employee is replying, avevo pensato di prendere 2 settimane di ferie a luglio. I was thinking of taking 2 weeks off in July. No. Avevo ferie. Next, boss, va bene, potresti inviarmi le date esatte per la pianificazione. Could you send me the exact dates for planning? Esatte, exact. Le date, dates. Could you send? Please pronounce these sentences with me. Employee. Certamente, of course, certainly. Certamente invierò un mail con le date precise. Certainly, I will send an email with the exact dates. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and comment on the video if you like it. Next is boss. Assicurati di organizzare il lavoro in modo che tutto sia coperto durante la tua assenza. Tutto sia coperto durante la tua assenza. Make sure to organize the work so that everything is covered during your absence. Assenza, absence. Organizzare, organize. Il lavoro, your work. Coperto durante, covered during your absence. Assenza. In modo, make sure to organize the work so that everything is covered during your absence. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos. I will post more videos like this every day, okay? Employee, chi lavorerò. I will. Grazie. Thank you per la comprensione. Thank you for understanding my problem like this, okay? Employee is replying. I hope these dialogues help you in your daily routine. Must subscribe to my channel. And please pronounce these sentences with me for your better Italian. And thank you for watching this video. Ciao, a presto. Don't forget to subscribe.